Every hour you delay on property damage is a promise made in the dark, and it always comes due at the worst possible time. In this video, we break down why the first decision you make after a flood, fire, mold discovery, or biohazard situation determines everything about your recovery. We walk through the real cost of waiting, the compounding nature of property damage, and why speed of action is the single most important variable between a full restoration and a nightmare that drags on for months. We also cover what to look for in a restoration company, why certified professionals with state-of-the-art equipment make a measurable difference, and how 24/7 availability changes the outcome when disaster hits at the worst possible moment. Whether you are dealing with water damage, fire damage, mold remediation, biohazard cleanup, or trauma scene cleaning for your home or your business, this video gives you the framework to act fast and act right. Get your free restoration quote from 911RecoveryPros right now. Available 24/7 for residential and commercial properties. 911RecoveryPros.com.